Look at Gray. Woke up today with a bloody nose.
I'm gonna open up the fire truck. I want Grayson in the driver's seat.
Happy birthday to you. Oh, it's snowing. Oh my God. Want to cheers, Daddy?
Yeah.
Cheers.
No, have anyone.
Oh, you don't have a drink?
Yeah.
Oh,
Have
shoot.
water.
Oh, you have water down there? Wanna go grab it?
Water.
Okay, what does Daddy have for breakfast? Can you point to it?
1, 2, 3.
What's this one?
And
Avocado? What's this one right here?
No,
Avocado?
touch it.
Touch it? Okay. What are these called?
Eggy.
Eggy? Good job. Do you know what this is called?
Touch it.
Do you know what this is called? What's this? Bacon?
Bacon. What?
What are you going to be doing all day today when Daddy's at work?
Fight at Daddy work.
Want to come to Daddy's work?
You mean?
Good job. Good. Do you want any pepperoni on there or just cheese, Gray?
Or did Papi want to
Or do you want
pepperoni now?
No. Uncle laughing at you?
What doing?
All right. It is Gray's birthday tomorrow, and look what I got him. He got a huge 24 volt. I don't even know what this thing is. All right, so we are gonna surprise him in the morning. I gotta finish getting this set up and hopefully try to fit it through the door to have it in the living room, the big bow on it. And when he wakes up, this is gonna be his gift before we have a full fun family day planned. We're going to an indoor jumping place and it's gonna be a fun time. Wifey is already starting his balloon arch over there. It's her first time making it and she is crushing it. It would be cool if she starts a business doing this one day because she absolutely loves it and she's amazing at it. His auntie and uncle got him a fire truck over there. So his birthday is pretty decked out. All right, we just finished up. This is what we got. We got the Jeep out here. He has a huge red bow. Wifey just came out, put out some balloons, and of course, got a ton more gifts to open up on his birthday, let alone all the gifts he has on Sunday for his birthday party. Happy birthday!
What?
Happy birthday!
What's your birthday? What's this? What's on there? Let's see. How cute. Uh-oh, Leo's gonna give you a birthday kiss. Oh, whoa. Oh my God. Whoa, you gonna
Look
start
at
it up and
that.
drive it? Climb in there. Climb in there.
What's that?
Ribbon.
It's a ribbon.
Yeah. Wow, do you like it? Big truck.
What I tell you to tell.
Don't laugh. Whoa.
Whoa.
Steering wheel. Steering wheel. Okay, ready? Here you go. Look at those stuff. Wow! Are those Grayson's birthday presents? Yeah.
I open this first. Okay, we open
Okay,
first.
okay,
Then twist and then we open first.
Yeah, open it first. So cute.
How cute is that paper?
Older today.
What's on your paper?
What
What is it?
And then check hair.
You know what it is? You know what it is? What is it?
Go motion.
Yeah. What is it?
And then
Is it it? Wow.
Lots of gum.
Okay, should Bobby fill it up?
Baby, fill it up.
Well,
Wow, big boy. Yeah, you know what it is? You're wearing a birthday shirt. So cute.
Oh, we don't like it.
Mommy.
Cute. Is that a booger?
What is it, baby?
What did you get, baby? Oh, do you know what that is?
It's like puppies. Your own iPad with games.
Own iPad?
He's so excited. Let Pop show you
Give
something.
Gigi and Papa a big kiss. Oh, does that open?
Yeah, I put some of this stuff in here.
What?
Wow! Look at him. How
This is
cute.
the charger.
Look how cute.
Okay.
Walkie-talkies.
His favorite thing's been the gumball machine, but if you had that on his list of wanting to get
Well, we put
binoculars. We can watch the
You
birdies.
can look at the other side here, like this here.
Xander, want to hop in or?
Xander, come get in. Drive.
You want me to drive?
Yeah.
Okay.
Good job.
Look at Grace.
Don't go too wiggly. I don't straight up. You don't want to roll that thing.
Where we headed off to?
Jumping place.
Jumpy place?
Apparently.
That's how it gives you their head up. Happy birthday to
You look like a rocker.
Okay, you guys ready for this? Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! It's done. Happy birthday, dear Grayson. I had another one that he could blow. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, he wants to blow out a candle.
Again.
Okay, we got Auntie and Uncle's gift coming out. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
What'd you get?
Over here, look.
What's this?
Wow! Like a firefighter!
It's a fire truck.
You got your own fire truck? Auntie Uncle sent you that. Push the button. Look, you got walkie-talkie. Hurry, there's a fire. Let's see, baby. Let's see.
Xander could
I
help
don't know.
you.
See if Xander knows where to do it.
Oh, there they go.
Whoa! Fire! Go, baby!
Good morning, guys. So we had a long, fun day yesterday for Gray's 3rd birthday. Went out to dinner, had a lot of fun. He had a ton of gifts to open up, and truly grateful to have such a handsome, loving, caring young boy that I get to call my son. And we do have a lot of progress being made on our supplement company. Our first gummies they sent us last week. It arrived, we tasted it. It actually had that sour, it had a sour taste to it. So strawberry mango might not be the go-to right now for the name if we decide to keep it. But I just got an email a couple minutes ago saying the manufacturer is making some changes to the actual base of the product. They're doing 2 side-by-side sample runs currently. But we got John pulling up right now, picking me up. Let's go. Good morning.
What up?
Reading the email?
Yeah, but they ran another one yesterday, I guess.
I think just with different sugars. So I guess the current issue right now with the first round was the actual base ingredients weren't holding up properly for the mold.
Well, you know, they were. We were having a hard time getting them to set, but now that I've tried them myself, I don't know that that's going to be an ongoing problem. Maybe some tweaks on the ratios on our end, but they were sweating, which, and you would never pay for a sweating product with me, but I think I can get that sweat out, and the form and the chew seem nice to me.
Buzz a ride?
Oh, there's Cowboy. He's over there. He wants to go too.
What are you making?
Putting together someone's birthday cupcakes. What do you think? How they look? Pretty cute. Who's the cutest firefighter you saw?
Okay, we are here setting up for Gray's birthday party. This is where it's going down. Loading up our car. Woke up today with a bloody nose. Not the move. You want me to walk around? Alright, so we have a couple hours to set up. Yeah, don't mind my tissue in my nose. I don't think I remember the last time I got a bloody nose, and of course got one when I woke up this morning, but it's 8 a.m. We have parties at 1 p.m. so we're gonna be setting up all morning. Yeah, just trying to function right now, but it's gonna be fun. It feels pretty good here in the shade, but it's pretty hot. Hopefully it's only like 105 degrees today, not 110. We're gonna be doing a fire truck and foam party. Fun. I think we have like 60 to 70 people confirmed to show up, so gonna be a pretty big party. All right, we made it to this party room. It's nice and cool. Gonna go get set up in the kitchen. We are jamming along. It's 11:15 a.m. Got 2 more hours for setup. Got the Play Place vendor here setting up. Got the alcohol bar, got the gift station, got wifey making her balloons. Coming along. So just made a quick stop at Costco. We have 20 large pizzas. Got 10 cheese, 10 pepperoni. I don't know if we're gonna finish it all, hopefully, but rather get more than less. So heading over, it's 12 o'clock. We got 1 hour till the party. Still gonna go home and change. So I'm gonna go drop off all the pizzas, and they didn't cut each slice in half. Since we do have a lot of kids, I gotta go back, cut all these pizzas in half, and then go back, change, and then it's party time. All right, time to do a quick drop off. We got 10 pizzas in the back, 10 pizzas in the front. Gray's birthday cake just came. Look at that. His mama spoils him. Okay, birthday boy has arrived. Let's show him his whole setup. What's up, birthday boy?
Look at him hippity hop.
Oh.
Oh, how exciting!
Wait for mommy.
Baby. Come on, baby. What do you need? Happy birthday, Grayson. This is all for you.
Happy birthday.
Big honey. Look at this. Your cake. With Grayson. Right there. And a puppy. And you just want to jump on that thing? You just have to take your shoes off first.
Oh, look at your toys. Oh my gosh, come look at it, Gray. Oh yeah, come on.
Look how cute Rescue puppy. Oh, look at that son of everything.
Say hi, Greg. Want to take off your shoes? You don't have to take photos, bro.
Is that one of those Osmos?
Yeah.
I want to put that in the back of a car and get some photos. Have
Yeah.
you seen those?
How's his birthday going?
What?
Excited? Cake! Cake, cake, cake!
You must have some photos too. You must have some photos. Alrighty, and over here, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and then one more time. Nice, ah, there it is. 1, 2, 3. Nice, one more time. Big smiles. 1, 2, 3. Got it.
Yay!
Happy birthday to Grayson!
Happy birthday, Grayson! Wow!
Say, did you get birthday today? Did you have fun? Did all your friends show up? You want to wave and say hi? Say hi. What was it? Don't laugh. Don't laugh. Don't laugh. Don't laugh. Fire truck's here. Oh, this is cool.
Right here. Grayson.
Gray,
Birthday boy.
over here, Gray.
Happy birthday, Grayson. Be careful. Everything's hot. on
Everything is hot, Gray. No touching. Stay
I
over here,
like
Milo.
your fire truck trunks. Those are pretty awesome.
You say thank you?
Okay, ready.
All right, guys. Let's get all the kiddos over here. This is what we're going to do this morning, this afternoon. I'm going to open up the fire truck. Everybody can go inside and look around, okay? We'll turn on the sirens. We'll honk the horn. Do you see Sparky up there?
Yeah.
I want you to say hi to Sparky. Once we're done looking at the fire truck, I have some real fire gear you guys can try on. It's the perfect weather to try it on, right?
Right?
I say we get on the fire truck and all go for a ride. What do you
Yeah.
think? Sound like fun? Enough talking. I'm going to open up the fire truck. I want Grayson in the driver's seat.
Yeah.
Yeah, baby.
Grayson, hold on. Let me grab these stools for you to climb in. I'll open up the other side. You guys can climb in there too, okay?
Drive the truck, baby. Sit on the seat. Come over here.
There you go.
You snag a good photo from Chris.
There we go.
Thank you.
Grayson, look this way.
Gray.
Grayson, don't laugh. Gracie, what are you doing? Grayson.
Good job, Gray.
Look, a kiss on Gordon's cheek. 1, 2, 3. Same thing for Gordon. Kiss on Brooke's cheek. Oh, there it is.
All right, we got the fire truck out here. All the kids are out here having a good time. And we're about to play some games. And foam party is going to be pulling up in about 45 minutes. It's going to be fun. You guys hanging out?
Careful, babes.
I'll help you out.
Go right under it, baby. Go right.
Hi, Gray. Oh, geez, it's windy. Oh, it's snowing. Oh my gosh.
This is epic.
No.
Show me the goggles.
The party is officially over. Alright, it is starting to storm, so perfect timing. Birthday's wrapped up, it's raining, and we gotta clean up the clubhouse because there is a huge mess, but overall, great success. Birthday went well, and I'll see you guys at home. Alright, we are back home, and Gray is down for bed, but that is gonna wrap up this third birthday vlog for Grayson. He came home and had another boost of energy. We opened up a lot of gifts and he has so many more to open. So he's probably gonna be opening up a new gift every single day for the rest of the month. But overall, huge success. Wifey crushed it on planning this birthday. She's been planning for months now, and it all came together. And appreciate everybody who showed up for Grayson, who's a part of his life, part of our lives, and grateful for all the friends and family that we have. But I don't know how Brooke is gonna top this one, but she will for sure. That is gonna wrap up this vlog. We are exhausted, and I knocked out this edit tonight, so I'm gonna be posting this vlog ASAP after this party on July 21st. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Comment below if you liked his party or what kind of ideas you think we should incorporate for next year. But thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.